Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. These are the 3 things I hate about French door or bottom mount freezers. First of all, this is a bottom mount freezer, okay? That looks wonderful, but problem is, you see how low this is and how big this is? You're gonna fill that up, and then you're gonna forget about the bottom 8 inches, or you're never going to get to, which means it's going to be there forever. So when I've got to come work on it, I'm digging stuff out that you forgot you had. Okay. Second of all, is I've got to get way in here to see in there. Okay, and I just don't like the way that how low this is. Okay, and third, if I have to work on these things, I'm laying on your floor. That is never fun. When I'm sitting there, if I got to work on the sealed system in there, I'm laying on your floor doing this. That just is a pain in my butt. Those are the 3 things that I really do not like about bottom mount freezers or French door refrigerators. Thank you very much. Tune in next week for some more well-known information, and we will see you next week. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Have a good day.